Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that securely records and verifies transactions across multiple computers. It consists of a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions, and is maintained by a network of nodes. Every participant in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Transactions are grouped into blocks and linked through cryptographic hashes, creating a continuous and tamper-resistant chain. Once a block is added to the chain, it becomes virtually impossible to alter previous blocks, enhancing the integrity of the data. This decentralized and transparent nature eliminates the need for a central authority, reducing the risk of fraud. Blockchain is best known as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications extend beyond finance. It is increasingly used in various industries, including supply chain management, healthcare, and smart contracts, offering a reliable and transparent way to track and verify information.